Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Back to basics, everybody. Cooking 101, French toast on the menu today, and here's what we need to make it: bread, eggs, milk, nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla extract. And I'll tell you how much you need of each one as we go along in the video, but I will also list it in the description box down below. Alright, so now you're going to crack 2 eggs into a dish. Now, just for demonstration purposes, only for new cooks, always crack your eggs in a separate dish. And the reason why, because it's easier to get your eggshells out if you get them in there by accident. But if you put all of your ingredients in here and then you try to get eggshells out, it's going to be quite darn hard to do that. Alright, so now into your dish, you want to put the 2 eggs. You want to put a half cup of milk. Then we're going to put a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now we want to get this stirred really well. Alright, so we don't want to see dry ingredients on the top like we have around the edges right there. So you can see, I'm going to take the whisk and I'm going to go around there and get it. If you haven't got a whisk, please use a fork. It's going to work just fine. Alright? It's going to work just fine. And if you haven't hit that like or that subscribe button, do so now. Hit that bell. Yep, you'll be one of the first ones to know when I put a new video up, if you do. Alright, so now we want to get our pan heated on the stove. It's already going. It's ready. Actually, you can see that it is melting my butter right there. So you want to use a butter or margarine right here. If you choose not to use one of those, then absolutely you can use a non-stick spray on your pan. All right, pan is on medium heat. So do that. You want to get it heated up, and then you want to reduce it for sure. All right. So once that is melted, or you know your pan is hot, then you're going to start putting your slices of toast. So you're going to dunk them in that mixture and you're going to take them out. You're not going to soak them in there. You're just going to dunk them. You're going to make sure that it's all coated on the outside of your bread, and then you're going to put your bread on your pan. Alright, you want to keep stirring your mixture. You want to make sure that your spices, that nutmeg, that cinnamon, they're evenly distributed, which I did forget to do right here. So that's why I'm reminding you. So I have some pieces of toast that's lighter than others, and that's the reason why. So you want to keep on stirring, because you want to make sure that your spices are not going to the bottom of your bowl or whatever the shallow dish is that you are using. All right, so now you want to get your toast on here. You want to make sure that it doesn't burn. So what you want to do is you're going to lift up the corner and you're going to look. Now, if you like a lighter French toast, then obviously you're going to brown this a little bit and you're going to take it off. If you like yours crispier, then you can expect that it will get a little bit darker, but you want to keep watching. So you see at the bottom of the screen I have turn it, don't burn it. That's exactly what you want to do. So you turn it as many times as you need to turn it. All you want to do is make sure that you don't burn it. You get what I'm saying? Alright, check this out, and that's exactly what I'm doing, flipping it when I need to. Alright, so I'm going to leave this on until I get it to my desired crispiness, and then this is what it looks like when it's done. So now stack the toast up. I got a pat of butter on there and homemade syrup. I got a video up. Please go and check that video out for homemade syrup. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go make this. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.